Hi everybody, it's Jenny, and I hope you're enjoying our online birthday bash activities that we have going on. Next, we're going across the ocean to see my friend Sue. Now, I have been to see Sue a couple of times, but I have never seen her new house, so I'm really excited to see this. So join us as we travel across the sea to Australia to meet my friend Sue Daley.
Hey everybody, welcome to my home. And this is Billy. I think some of you have already met Billy. But he's a bit excited because his best friend's just left and he wants to go with her. So this is where I sit at night if I'm going to watch Netflix or something and do a bit of crochet or some hand sewing or whatever I do. And you can see as I walk around, you can see I enjoy plants, so I have a lot of plants. This is my kitchen. This is where I create food sometimes. It's not as good anymore because I'm only cooking for one, so but it's a beautiful kitchen to work in. And over here is another room that I can enjoy when the sun comes in, and it's my beautiful couch that I love, that I bought in Western Australia when I was there, and the piano belongs to one of my boys. And lots of plants, more plants everywhere. This is Billy's playroom, so hence all the babies. We call them babies because he walks around. If anybody's got a golden retriever, they know that golden retrievers love to carry things in their mouth and they pulse on them. So he's got lots of babies, and if he's not pulsing on babies, he's collecting my shoes. So he's the best shopper ever. So outside, this is my alfresco area where I often will sit, have breakfast or coffee. And my pool, where I enjoy it because I like to swim. So as you can see, I've got all this bush in behind me, and we haven't been here very long, and so I still have got a lot of landscaping to do. But if you just come with me over here, you can see I have a little paddock down the bottom, and you can probably see the dogs are in the dam now, so they're going to need a bath. So that's Billy's best friend Poppy, and they're a bit crazy together. But anyway, they love to be down in that bottom paddock. And as I said, I've got a lot of work still to do, so there's lots of timber laying around, and my fire pit's not finished yet, and everything's a work in progress. And this is my circle garden, so that's not finished either. I need to still finish that off, but we're getting there. And my caravan from, when I want to travel. And we come back in, we'll come back inside. So I really want to share this with you. I'm really excited because I just got it in the mail today, and it's the new block book, and they featured me in it, which is really exciting. I can't believe it. I just need to find the page where I'm at. I think it's in the beginning, page 6 actually. So in there, it's just a little story about me, Queen of English paper piecing, as most of you know, and I have put a pattern in there for you all, so a little pincushion pattern. So you'll be able to make that if you want to. But I'm really excited. I can't believe I'm in this book. So that's really, really a fun thing. And most of you know that Jenny and I are very, very, very good friends, and we keep in contact a lot. And I really miss her during this time because we haven't been able to see each other for quite some time. And I don't know when I'm going to see her or any of you in the near future, but hopefully it's not too far away. And I just want to say, I'm happy to show you my home and where I hang out for most of the time, particularly this year. I've spent a lot of time at home, and yeah, I hope you've enjoyed my little house.